once the company goes into insolvency, there is a moratorium that is granted, and this moratorium is very specific to that time period until the insolvency is going on. During the moratorium, any license, permit, or any specific quota, concession, anything which is granted by any of the government bodies, these will not be suspended. There is no enforcement of security. There cannot be any alienation or disposal or encumbrance of the assets of the company. The legal civil proceedings and suits are all stayed, not criminal. No check bounce cases cannot be stayed. Your cases of your PMLA and so on, those nature ED cases we see are getting continued. That law is still evolving. It's still Supreme Court has to give one final decision on that issue. But by and large, 138 cases for sure we know are, which is common to the business community, go on in parallel. Essential goods and services of the CD is corporate data. Corporate data is basically in our language the company, and which is undergoing insolvency. It is run as a going concern and it's supposed to continue. It has some good and bad angles to it. Now, for example, if the IRP feels that what you are supplying to the company, and that is an essential commodity to run the company, essential goods to run the company, and you decide not to cooperate, or you feel that what he's giving you, the deal is not fair, possibly going forward. Now, of course, everything that we say is subject to how if and when things get back to some extent of normalcy, the IRP can file an application against you that you are not cooperating. But if you see, by and large, the objective of this moratorium concept is to ensure that things are on a standstill, nothing much changes, cases are stayed for some time, no selling of assets of the company, and the companies try to run as a going business. This is the objective of moratorium, so that the focus is on resolution and not these kind of recovery proceedings. Now, here itself, I think it's important to cover the practical challenges. While there is a moratorium on recovery proceedings against a company, there is no moratorium against recovery proceedings against the guarantors. And in Indian context, mostly the promoters are guarantors and their family members. And those, there are, you can initiate IBC proceedings against them, you can initiate DRT proceedings against them. So half the time we see that their focus is to save themselves in other proceedings rather than being able to cooperate with the insolvency professional and help out in the resolution process.